a lot of people had a lot to say about Utirelo as a person, her attitude, her comments on the latest episode of Izingane Zestembu. I guess people were just like putting funny comments and DMing her, angazi you guys. But this is the statuses that Utirelo puts up after the last episode of Izingane aired. Watch this, guys, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
A bitch is back. A bitch is back. Sengibuyile ke manje.
So the first status, you guys, she puts up a caption, why likwata kap ili yana, meaning like, why nisheshe nikwata angaga, guys. And the second one, which is obviously Mesali, but it's the message behind it, right? Where she's basically saying, I'm back, bees. The bee is back and segabuyile manje. And it's giving off the impression that the whole, like, it's her thing to stir up the pot. It's her thing to be, to be the mean girl or to be that bee type of girl. That's the vibes it's giving off. But the first status where she puts basically why you guys are getting angry so quick, at the bottom, the actual meme says "buckle up, you guys." So, which means from here, you guys going forth, which means Utirel is basically saying, "I'm gonna bring the trauma, and listen, I'm not afraid of what you guys say about me." She's basically saying, "Remember what I said, you guys, that I feel like Utirel so far she's been behaving, she's been fine." And now she's like starting that whole thing, yeah, season one. She's starting it all over again. And then if she's starting that all over again and she's like, the bee is back, like, what is she trying to say? She's trying to say, you guys have always known me as that. And now that thing that you guys have known me for, it is back. And I'm just like, oh, girl, I don't know. You know what? I've always said I love Utirelo, I love Uvuyo guys. I love all of them, you guys. I don't like picking because at the end of the day, that's why I'm just like, guys, you guys need to calm down. Stop fighting, especially Team Vuyo guys. Like, stop fighting people's battles because these people, like, they just here to, yes, it's their lives, but a lot of this is entertainment. That's why part of what Utirelo is actually saying is like, why you guys get angry so quick because this is entertainment, you guys. Like, you're gonna see, like, I actually saw there's these awards that are going to be started in KZN for the most voted KZN TV show. Izingane Zestembu is gonna come up on top, you guys, because they know how to keep us, like, on our toes. They know how to get us talking. Like, that is it, you guys. So please don't go fetching enemies over something engekho. So Utirelo as well, it's just the sad thing that people do take these shows personally. And Utirelo, even though this might be games for her and we don't even really know if she's really like this in real life or what. It might be games for her, but for some people, it's really not games. It's really not games. Some people are DMing her, swearing her. If you look even on the trailer, you guys, of Izingane Zestembu on Instagram, the comments there, like the vile things that the vile things that people say about you guys, the vile things people say about Nosipo, the vile things that people say about Umpumelelo, the vile things that people say about Utirelo. I'm just like, guys, calm down, yo. Like, you can attack like the thing that a person's doing, like how I call Utirelo out, that what she's doing and like talking about Uvuyo guys, like, it's not right. But I'm not gonna attack her like as a person and attack like Uguti, like she's light in complexion and she's not good looking and nah, that's deep. Attack the wrong thing that you find wrong. Don't go for the person's looks and all of that. But Utirelo, quite frankly, seems like she doesn't care about like what the public is saying about her. I don't know if maybe if there was an agreement which is gonna bring the drama, or maybe it's like that, Vele. Asazi, you guys, we really don't know. I do feel like there is adding on of spice to the show, but I don't think Uvuyokazi and Utirelo genuinely get along. I really don't think so. I don't think so. Ngibone noSne, uTirelo was speaking to Sne, and I'm just like, Sne, ungazingeni indaba zikaMphumelelo, please. Don't take people's beef ungazingeni, because already Mpumelelo looked like he was portraying Usne ukuthi ungenaphi Sne, when Sne was asking Mpumelelo, do you think Utirelo and Uvuyokazi are they okay with one another? And then Mpumelelo was basically like ungenaphi. You can see that every other sibling abazingeni indaba zikaMphumelelo. So Sne should stay out of it, because asazi that whole finchy that's going on with Mpumelelo and his woman. Hey guys, kuningi. Anyway, tell me what you think about this, you guys. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.